what you want, what you want.
My name is Tamira Palmer, and this is for Kashia and Eric Degree. And we're going to talk about the Alabama Constitution of 1901.
Exactly, because this guy's a skunk. He's a freaking skunk. And I think somebody ought to set him straight, and I hope it's...
In the United States, there are constitutions to put the states in order, such as the state of Alabama, with its constitution. In the Alabama Constitution, it goes with massive funding to its local and campaigns. Local funding is used with bridges, taxes, hospitals, schools, and education. In the campaign, there is usually done with the PAC, Political Action Committee, to be used for the voting range for such as election of judges, senates, governors, and etc.
In the events of the Constitution, gutted democracy through disenfranchisement, prohibited economic development, didn't provide for homes ruled by the countries, and left Alabama poorly equipped for the 20th century. The impact.
In the Constitution, Section 204 through 210 talks about the exemptions, which goes for paying of taxes in a specific amount income for themselves and dependents. Section 211 through 219 talks about taxation. Most of the other sections and amendments is involved with taxes in property, state, and corps. Section 247 through 255 talks about the restriction and legislation powers in the state.
Local funding in Alabama, most of the amendments are used for also the part of the districts and the counties, using the finances of the important things. And campaign funding, the motion and law is mainly situated for the legislative and the judicial branch of government. And Alabama's 3rd Congressional District offers a microcosm of current state of campaign finances. The district comprises of 11 countries in the east central Alabama. Per capita runs to about $20,000 per year. Percentages of residents below the poverty level in greater than 20%.